Placing and consolidating concrete containing silica fume is essentially the same process as for concrete without silica fume. Silica fume concrete is delivered to the project site in conventional concrete trucks and easily pumps into place. Finishing silica fume concrete on flatwork is usually done without the waiting periods associated with traditional finishing practices. Immediate curing, or some method to protect the concrete surface from losing moisture while the concrete sets, is very important when finishing non-bleeding silica fume concrete. Normal labor and placement tools are used to bring the concrete to the proper grade and depth during placement. Pencil vibrators and vibrating mechanical screeds work very well to consolidate the concrete to the proper grade, close the concrete surface, and bring enough paste to the surface to allow the steel Fresno float to completely close the surface and apply the final broom texture, all in one pass. Steel finishing tools like the Fresno work best. Wooden bull floats are normally avoided. They tend to rip instead of close the concrete surface. The Fresno and broom finishing tool is kept clean to assure a uniform, blemish-free final surface texture. To control the degree of texture, the broom bristles are angled, and the bristles paint the texture on concrete surface without rolling up aggregate. An eco-friendly, wax-based, DOT-approved curing compound is an excellent material for preventing surface evaporation of the freshly placed concrete. The curing compound is being applied immediately after the final broom texture to prevent any moisture loss. After the labor force places the concrete strip, they return and start placing the next strip of concrete while the previous strip is being finished and cured. This technique is called a one-pass finishing technique and can be a very economical way to finish concrete. After final set, the concrete surface is normally covered by wet burlap or other insulation-type curing blankets depending on the temperature and season, and left covered for 3 to 7 days or as specified for the project.